What's the difference between a negative exact match keyword and a negative broad match? It's actually a really, really big difference, which can have a really big consequence on the success of your campaigns. So you really need to understand that. Let's go dive into my ad account and I'm going to show you the difference and explain to you what the difference is and how you can implement the right one in your own ad account. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you like this video. So here we are in a live campaign actually, and we've gone straight to the negative keyword section in my search campaign. And if I just scroll down here, you'll see I've got a bunch of different negative keywords of both those match type I mentioned, be it broad match as well as exact match. Okay, so the difference between those two match types is that your negative exact match means you don't want to show for exactly what is in those square brackets, versus the negative phrase match means that you never want that particular word to be anywhere in the search term. So a classic example would be free, or in this one here, I've got software. So what I'm promoting in this particular campaign is a retargeting challenge where I teach people how to do a retargeting course. And so software is not really appropriate for a training course. So I don't want any instance when somebody types in retargeting software because they're not wanting a course to learn how to do retargeting. So I therefore add that as a negative broad match because I don't want software anywhere in any search term, okay? Versus if I scroll down here, and if I were to add retargeting as a broad match, so Maya retargeting here in broad match, I would filter out the terms for retargeting when that's exactly what I do want, because I want people who want to learn how to do retargeting. So I need to add it as a negative exact match so that I allow my ads to show for retargeting course and all that kind of, and how to do retargeting and all those types of words that I do want, but also not show for Maya retargeting or retarget common or whatever else there is. Okay, so that's the difference. When you go to add a negative keyword, you're going to decide whether you're going to put square brackets around it for exact. So for free, we would just go like that. For exact match free, but actually I don't want that as an exact match. I want that as broad, so I would add that without any square brackets. Alrighty, and then I scroll down here and I click save, and then I have saved it as a negative keyword. You could see down here, and it's as a negative broad match. That's how easy it is to add to your ad account. Make sure you do it in your own ad account. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.